Allowing self-enrollment. Self-enrollment is a method of enrollment that allows students to add themselves to the course. To enable self-enrollment, you must be logged in as a user with administrative privileges for the desired course. First, enter the desired course. Open the block drawer and look for the administration block. You can add one if needed. Navigate to Course Administration, Users, Enrollment Methods. In the Self-Enrollment row, click the Enable icon. If the row is absent, you can add it using this drop-down menu. Now access the self-enrollment settings. Complete the enrollment key field. The enrollment key is like a password that students will use to access the course. Modify any other options you would like to, and then save your changes at the bottom. Don't forget to distribute the enrollment key to the students so they can access the course.